Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your lies for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Yo, my girl, you can't allow me, you can't sleep in peace. Want some new clothes? What? You want more clothes? Want more clothes what? It's a big man exam like Rihanna. I'm like Rihanna, what is supposed to mean? He just want. What do you buy some clothes? Listen, me not care if I buy clothes yesterday or the day before or the day after that. I want some new clothes, alright? My girl, me cannot afford your clothes, them too expensive. I Fenty got told me a shop, the most affordable boutique right now. Rihanna something like that? No, not Rihanna something. Fenty with an I, not a Y. Fenty with an I. My girl, yes. I'm gonna need to buy something for Tanisha too. So when they give me my money, you put Tanisha money on it too. So if you want to buy clothes for your friend, Mom said, nothing can't fit your friend big and fat like. Nobody not sell them size then. You know that? Oh, so you buy things for your friend but they won't buy things for me, man. You want me to give you money. Yeah, you don't worry about that. I mean, make sure the house clean and tidy them something there, so that's how me get to you. A clean house, you understand? But here what? I'm gonna give you my card, you know. And you see, after this, I'm gonna treat me like ding dong. I want you to love me. Thank you.
You good, Dora?
Fuck off.
Well, I'll be a goddamn thumb in a butt. Neighbor, what are you doing here? You had one fucking job, is not to get deported, QQ, and here we are, in Jamaica, stuck. Okay? Listen, alright, I gave you a lawyer, and you refused. I do not want you to marry a girl from the States and end up like Rob fucking Kardashian. Okay, that's what we're not gonna do. But anywho, we're both in Jamaica. Come on, teach me some shit.
I'm on vacation, and I don't feel like teaching nothing.
Come on, Delroy. Okay, what were you eating this morning for breakfast? It looked like... What? I thought my face cleared up. I've been using a new wash.
Not acne. Aki.
Aki. Okay. That sounds fucking splendid. So,
I'm gonna teach you something.
Okay.
Alright, so, tell that you over there, son.
Yeah.
See, I look for a batty boy.
A batty boy? What is that, like an energy drink, or...
Come on, just ask them where you can find the nearest batty boy.
Alright, no problem. Hey, native. You know where I can find the native? Batty boy. There you go. Batty boy. Hey, boy. There you go. Alright.
Sister, tell me where you really like, so me can cook that tonight. Me say, girl, cook anything you like. She say, yes, few beans me I go make. But you know that girl, you're bright. She a try to tie me tight, but me make she know woman are no good. So no rope to me neck. Say she want be my wife and have my baby too. Me tell her fi calm down, me nah rush nothing with you. Say she a go tie me. Me say, girl, what do you? Say Keisha tie fi your man, and she a go tie me too. You not go tie me. You not go tie me, baby. You not go tie me. You not go tie me, baby. You not go tie. You not go tie. You not go tie.
Big fat dirty old boy asleep.
Mickey! Come out of bed! Come out of the bed! River Nile belly boy, come out of bed! Mount Everest God boy, come out of bed! You need to go take a jump! You make that off your call me phone and tell me say you need to go panda yacht! Hold on, I fought that time. I fought that time, jump out of here, little boy! Not about! Little hang face boy! A matter D, shut him up about matter! You never yet hear them say, matter of fact! You think of matter of fact! Them say, you need to go do some sit-ups! Some sit-ups! Mommy, but everybody knows that sit-ups are for lazy people cause them find it hard for you tuck in and not suck in them belly. So them go get abs. So them not for suck in them belly every time. Jesus, mommy, I'm about to chew. I can one thing say, boy. Yo, watch me, I'm gonna go for my bed. Don't come out, Harry. No.
Girl a drop off her bed and lick her head or sense them gone, dog. Me tell her this all the time, you know.
Bitch, I swear to God, we gon' fuck
Brian. Oh, bitch. Bitch, I swear if your bread is too hard, I'll soften that shit. Bitch, I'll soften that shit for you, bitch. Let me soften that shit for you, bitch.
I always win, Jack.
And lower away evenly, like.
One way or another.
Bitch, I swear if this shit is too sad, I'll turn it off, bitch. Bitch, let me turn that shit off, bitch. Bitch, I swear the ass is too flat, I'll give you some ass, bitch. I'll give you that.
Can you like actually use it on yourself?
But there's sugar, so you don't want to do that. I mean, unless you're into yeast infections.
He like does look like a penis. It's really pretty.
What?
I guess I'm supposed to try to get this in my mouth, but I have a really little mouth, so this should be interesting.
I want to see how much of this I can fit in my mouth. I think that's more interesting than actually what it tastes like.
Here goes.
What? Pussycat. Oh shit!
Oh, hello!
That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanil Clark. Peace.